which have to do with length and distance. Length and distance are pretty much the same idea here, and inequalities. So this is a preview of the test or quiz um, that you will be taking. Number 7 says make a diagram to represent the following situation. The serpent's head rises 38 feet above the water. The sea serpent's tail extends 25 feet below the water, and so on. Now, when they're talking about a diagram, we are thinking one way to do this is draw a number line. So to draw a number line, we can think of it as a vertical number line because I see the words above and below. So I'll go ahead and draw a vertical number line. And I mean, so I'll put 0 here in the middle. If we wanted to, we can count by 1s, 2s, 5s, whatever number. But honestly, you'll see that we don't really have to do all that work. For example, the sea serpent's head is 38 feet above. Is above a positive or a negative word? In this case, 38 feet above is positive 38. So I am just going to put 38 somewhere here. 38, and I'll say this is where the head is. The next one says the sea serpent's tail extends 25 feet below the water. 25 feet below. Well, I'm thinking let's put 25 around here. And in fact, because it's below, it's negative 25. So the tail would go here. Now, let me pause real quick. And just to remind you all that 0 is where the water is, the top of the water. And 0 is where sea level is. So that means everything else below here is just water. All of this is water. Let's go back to the problem. The boat's mast rises 20 feet above the water, 20 feet above. So that's positive 20. And that's where the boat's mast would be. And then there's a dolphin swimming 5 feet below. Well, is that negative 5 or positive 5? That would be negative 5. That would be here. Okay. Number 8, so we're done with number 7. This is our diagram for that. Let me just put my dots. Number 8 says find the total length of the sea serpent. So we need to know how long the sea serpent is. And a serpent is basically a snake. So we need to know how long the snake is. Well, if this is our diagram right here, and I'm drawing my snake right here, the snake goes from, well, the head is right here at 38, and the snake goes all the way to the tail. So this is where the sea serpent is, our snake. And they want us to know how long is this snake. Okay, so you need to think about what math are you going to do in number 8, because they also want you to explain. Okay, and then in number 9, what is deeper in the water? Is it the tail of the sea serpent or the dolphin? So you need to understand what deeper means. And then also you need to know what inequality means. Remember, inequality means either using this symbol or this symbol, and you have to put your numbers. So you need to write down the numbers that go with one of these symbols. All right, good luck.